Good morning. In today's episode, because last week we were in Ossett doing cable avoidance training, today we are on our way to Manchester Superstore and we are going to be doing a bit of PASMA Tower for Users course. Checked the order last night, there's 2 delegates, so it should be relatively simple, and I'm just going to film what happens during the process. Manchester Superstore is one of my favourite training locations. It's a very close toss-up between Manchester Superstore and Liverpool Superstore because they've both got amazing facilities and they're relatively close. So it's always, it's always been a close battle between the two. So, but yeah, as you'll see when we get there, we've got a huge training area, quite spoilt for space when we go there. Can deliver a variety of training courses, anything theory based, practical based. It will depend on what course it is that you're actually after. We have got scissor lifts and mutes and stuff there for iPath. Obviously we've got PASMA, power tools, survey equipment, all that sort of good stuff. So it's quite a flexible training depot. Well, I won't even say categorise it as a training depot. It's actually a hire depot. It's got a training function as well, which is awesome. So yeah, stick with me for the journey, and then we'll catch up in a little bit. Yeah, all I want you to do is climb up, sit there, feet touch the ladder, and then I'll help after that. All right, wherever I touch, all I want you to do is to lock on this frame. Don't lock on the frame behind you. Now you can lock the back ones that are unlocked. So if you stand up now and rock a bit, see how solid that is. If it's digital, you just click plus, fill in the gaps, take a picture, off you go. Yeah, get to the height you want, come in on an angle, and then line it up and rest it on like so. Just basically make your life getting easier for getting to the ladder, to the climbing over stuff. I'm so glad you did that hand over hand. Well, that's how you get the clips up without throwing them. Obviously halfway maximum outside, so we can double this outdoors or triple it indoors. It's like we've gone from Ford Fiesta to, I don't know, Ferrari or Capri or whatever. Yeah. Well, there you go. Go on then, do it then.